Kandapola is a village in the central province. The journey to Kandapola branches off when you reach Nuwara Eliya town. Taking the eastern road, you pass some of the most verdant tea estates the country has to offer. Just outside Nuwara Eliya, on the road to Kandapola, is the Pedro estate. With its distinctively shaped tea factory perched on a hill. It has some scenic views, including some with a water reservoir. Court Lodge Estate is the next tea estate encountered, and is arguably the most scenic and best laid out in the Kandapola area. The imposing factory and lush tea fields make excellent terrain for some great pictures, especially in the morning. The next estate encountered is Park Estate. Interspersed with vegetable gardens and houses, the estate has some beautifully laid out and scenic tea fields. Finally, when you reach Kandapola, the last estate on the road is Concordia Tea Estate. Kandapola is a small community. Agriculture and plantations are the lifeblood of the people. While tea growing and the Nuwara Eliya teas produced here are world famous, the town and the area is integral in cultivating a range of vegetables. The vegetable plots are mainly smallholder owned and normally adjacent to the houses of the farmer. Common vegetables grown here include carrot, lettuce, onions, leeks, radish, and more. It's not uncommon to see vegetables being cultivated in sections of land adjoining lush tea fields. The town of Kandapola is small, and the main street is an uneventful collection of stores. So the question is, why come to Kandapola? The simple answer is that the stay enables one to experience plantation life firsthand, and the process of growing, harvesting, and manufacturing tea up close. There are several types of accommodation available, though the experience of staying in a colonial planter's bungalow has an intimate, unique, and relaxed feel in enjoying one's holiday. The walking trails abound, as with any upcountry estate location, and the cool mountain air of elevations, over 2,000 meters, will leave you invigorated. Some of the bungalows here have been renovated, with every luxury and amenity to make your stay a truly pampered one. Another unique experience to be enjoyed is a stay at the refurbished and reimagined tea factory building. This award-winning hotel was originally a tea factory and is located high above the Kandapola hills, offering sweeping views of the Concordia Tea Estate. Its distinctive interiors, where some of the elements of an old tea factory have been left intact, creates a warm atmosphere, with a sense of an era gone by. The views from the hills of Kandapola are truly stunning. The early morning mist-laden valley is a magnificent sight. During the day, with Kandapola to the left, Ragola town in the distance, and Udapusal Lawa to the right, this is a great panoramic landscape view, with the hills of Nuwara Eliya in the distance. Kandapola is all about relaxation. You can experience the locals at work in the fields, or meet villagers who always have a smile for you. There is a limited amount of sightseeing, but this fact itself allows you to enjoy the accommodation, unwind, and indulge in the great food. Kandapola is a superb location to explore once you have exhausted the experiences of Central Nuwara Eliya, and will leave you wanting to come back yet again.